I first start out by parting my hair. I try to get my parts as straight as can be. If you are someone who struggles with doing your own parts, use mirrors. That's what I did. There's a big mirror in front of me, and then I had a smaller mirror to check the back. I also used clips so that I could keep the hair out of the way and use the finger to see where I needed to start my part to make it straight. My nape will just not get there until later on. So I just oil my scalp real quick with some hair growth oil, and then I begin to gel up one side of my hair. So I first begin by using this extreme gel. I just got this gel not too long ago. It's really popular, but in case you were wondering about it and haven't used it yet, it's really good to be a light, clear gel. And then I go in with some Gorilla Snot. This is some strong hold gel. You can see how sticky it is. It's like just sticky, and it really, really helps smooth out that hair. I go in with my bristle brush, and then I go in with the wide tooth comb. I put more gel as needed. Put this in as tight as a ponytail as you can. This ponytail ended up coming out. It wasn't as tight as I needed to be, so I ended up redoing both of my ponytails with a better, tighter, smaller scrunchie so that it could be nice and tight on the top of my head. And that way your hair can have a better chance at staying nice and sleek for a longer period of time. So I'm just finishing up with some more gel. Depending on your hair type, use the gel that you need to use. I'm 4C hair type, so I had to go in on layers of gel. And then I finally could get that part situated. So after that, I go ahead and wrap my hair. I usually don't put any heat on my hair of any kind, but I wanted to go ahead and wear my style like this for that day. So I didn't want to wait around forever for it to dry. So I went ahead and wrapped it and then blow dried it for about 15 minutes. So now that your hair is all set and dry, you're ready for your Cakeline hair. So what I did was loop the hair in a scrunchie and wrap that scrunchie around my bun. After that, you're going to start two-strand twisting your hair. Try to get these amounts of hair as even as possible. You'll see later on that one of my buns was a little bit bigger than the other, so I just had to go in and clip a twist. But I kind of noticed that as I was doing my twist, one side was thicker than the other. But it's not the end of the world if that does happen and you don't get the sides exact. All you need to do is know how to place it nicely. I did about 5 or 6 twists on each side. At this point, your hair is all nice and twisted, so you want to start forming a bun one twist at a time, ensuring that you cover up your natural hair. So if you grab all the twists at one time, it won't exactly look as you may want it. So just remember, do one twist at a time. And if you like leaving hair out, you can do that. But if you don't like that look, go ahead and just circle all your hair up inside the bun. And bobby pins are your best friend. Bobby pins is what you're going to need to allow this style to work and to allow it to just look flawless and seamless, to be able to put the hair where you want to place the hair. And that's basically what you do. And then once you've done that, you'll just do the same process over to the other side. It's really quite quick after you get your hair nice and set, and I'm talking your real hair. After that, these twists are nothing, and this bun is so cute and chic. So you see how the bun on the right is clearly bigger than the one on the left. I wish I would have just paid attention to the amount of hair I was using, but basically I untwisted the twist, cut it, and then hid the end back into that bun. Why not go one step extra and put a little curl to this style? So all I did was grab some flexi rods and then curl the loose ends onto the flexi rod, heated up some water, dipped it into that water for a few seconds, and then that's it. Back about a minute later, after drying these things off, all you need to do is kind of just readjust those ends with a bobby pin, trim any loose ends that you might have, and then that's it. You are done. Y'all, I had so much fun doing this style. I really just thought of it off the whim, and it came out so bomb. I hope y'all's come out just as good as this, if not better, sis. I thank y'all so much for watching, liking, and subscribing to my channel. Bye.